Hello everyone, and this is my honest review of the DEWALT table saw stand with wheels. So as you can see here, I currently have my actual DEWALT table saw on the DEWALT table saw stand itself, and this stand has been one of the best investments I've ever made. There's a lot of reasons that I really like this stand. Number one, it is extremely rugged and durable. I've never had any type of maintenance issues with it. It just works every single time. I've had this probably for 4+ years now. Have used this table saw all around my house in various rooms, outside in the front yard, backyard, and having wheels and the ability to easily move your table saw is priceless. Let me show you some of the key features that I really like. Number one, you've got quick disconnects here. So in theory, you can easily take your table saw off of the stand itself in a matter of seconds, move it somewhere if you don't want the stand itself, and then simply reattach it. Very simple to use, very quick and effective, and very easy to remount. Furthermore, in order to maneuver this table saw, you have this handle right here, which you can see simply comes out, or if you're not using it, you can simply move it in. In order to pull it out, just pull it. In order to retract it, simply pull on this lever and it folds in. In order to make the stand as vertically and integrated as possible, you can simply press on these levers, pull the feet in, and as you can see here, the table saw stand will stand up vertically by itself, and this is exactly how I store it. Now, as you can see, there are two very durable, rugged wheels on the bottom, and I can one-handedly easily maneuver this table saw. I'm currently moving this with my left hand, which is my off weak hand, and I'm able to easily move this table saw no problem whatsoever. Very simple, very easy to use. Now, if I want to bring the table saw back up and use it, I'm simply going to press on these levers. The four legs will come out just as you're seeing here. I will use one of my feet to press to help stabilize the 2 feet, pull, and all of a sudden the table saw is quickly back into the horizontal level. Easy to use, very effective. I absolutely love this. Like I said, the ability to single-handedly maneuver your table saw, move it from one location to another using a very sturdy stand that works every single time. I cannot believe I did not have this to begin with, and I'm totally 100% happy with my purchase. If I could do things over again, I would buy this much sooner than I did in the first place. Thank you very much for watching. This is my honest review.